I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today from our Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook, we are making chocolate-filled and lime-kissed strawberries on page 251.
And the great thing about this recipe, it's just strawberries, bananas, and basically, and a little cocoa. No added sweetener. So you take a strawberry, and that's not my favorite knife. This is. Oops. And you cut the tippy end off.
A wee bit, not a lot.
Quite a lot, because you want it to be able to stand on its own. And then you cut out all the little white stuff in the center. So you have a little hole. And then it looks kind of like this. And, you know, you can always eat the tip or eat the center is good to eat. Oops. Fell.
Do you still want to eat it? No.
Sure. Anyway, then we're going to put all these little hole-filled strawberries there. And I've got a banana. And the riper the banana, the better, the sweeter. So I'm going to peel the banana, the really ripe banana. And this is an experiment today. I've never actually done this with this.
Oh, I said this.
And I am going to put the banana in this little Cuisinart thing. And
I want to show the Cuisinart thing is just a little container. No plugs, no magic, no power. And it has a little lid. And I've never seen this happen.
And I'm going to put in some cocoa powder. The thing is, when you are making this, if you have a small little blender, it's good because this doesn't take a lot of space. And I'm going to put...
like a little mini Cuisinart, a little mini food processor? I'm
going to put a little bit of this chocolate balsamic vinegar in. You don't have to do that, but I'm like loving vinegar. And then I'm going to put this on here.
All right, I've never seen this. I'm excited.
And I'm going to pull it. And it's going to mix it all up. And you get good exercise, too.
Okay. My turn. My turn. Right. All right.
Let's look. God, beautiful.
It's perfect.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to take this and fill each of these little babies.
Should I take your heart rate? That will work out.
With this. And Jane is going to put
a little kiss of lime zest. Actually, I'm going to delicately put it because... Gosh, lime zest makes everything smell like it's alive. It's just.
But you see why it's nice to have a small, not a big Cuisinart or whatever, to do this.
Oh, like a big like the big.
See, that would be too big. You would lose.
You wouldn't mix it. It wouldn't blend it up.
So the
lawnmower mechanism. The little lawnmower
is great.
Little
and then the other fun thing to do is to take mint leaves. And you know, if you go to the very tippy end of the little mint, you get this pretty little sections that...
Little sprigs?
The littlest sprigs for this. So if you're going to have this, it's fun. Or you could have big ones too, because that kind of looks... I like the big ones, actually. Here's even a bigger one. It's nice. And it would make it taste delish to have that little bit of...
Yeah, Ann is all about...
so this is a really fun, very healthy, pretty dessert with chocolate.
And no
We love it.
sweetener. Well done.
Yeah.
I love that little lawnmower. Go get one. That's so fun. Bye-bye.
Bye.